Send this to your uncle who thinks that Canada is not responsible for climate change. After the United States, Canada is the most responsible country in the world for fossil fuel production. Now, mind you, this is going to fly in the face of the opinions of a lot of conservatives online who tend to claim that Canada is not responsible for climate change. We're such a small country. How could we possibly make a difference? We are literally one of the most responsible countries in the world. Simon Clark is one of my favorite science communicators, and he specifically focuses on the climate. And in his most recent video, he outlined the banks in the world that are the most responsible for funding fossil fuel production, as well as what countries those banks came from. And there are 3 Canadian banks in the top 12 globally: RBC, Scotiabank, and TD, funding fossil fuel production in the magnitude of hundreds of billions of dollars. And while the US is responsible for 33% of the financing of fossil fuels, Canada is right behind them at 15%. But what about China? 14%. When you combine the entire European banking region, that only makes up 23% of fossil fuel funding compared to 15% just from Canada. So what this means is that beyond our own fossil fuel production, our banks are responsible for funding the production of fossil fuels, which means that yes, Canadians have an outsized responsibility globally when it comes to climate change.